Hello and welcome to Vox Markets. Today I'm joined by Adam Hill, who's CEO at Oncimmune. How are you today, Adam?
Very good, thanks, Zach. And you?
I'm doing fine. I understand you've had a busy year. You've just released your trading update for full year 2021 this morning. Can you summarize the highlights as far as you're concerned?
More than happy to. So it's been a very successful year, despite the backdrop of the pandemic, which, of course, we have in part been responding to. And key, I think, is in many minds will be whether we've been able to hit market consensus, and indeed we have. We've delivered about £5.6 million worth of revenue in line with consensus, and an eightfold increase on last year's takings. In addition, we've been delivering a fairly aggressive cost reduction program, and so equally costs are in line with market expectation. And throughout the year, there has been driving much of that growth, a slew of very important contracts on the ImmunoInsight side of our business.
Right, you had the successful oversubscribed fundraise in March. What are the proceeds being used for as far as that raise was concerned?
Well, the ImmunoInsights business has seen a substantial amount of interest from our pharma and biotech clients, which has meant that we've had to consider increasing the capacity of our Dortmund facility, which delivers much of that business over the last 6 months. The fundraise, which was very successful, we did it at a premium. We raised 9 million, is entirely focused on increasing capacity from last year's capacity to 4 times that by the beginning of next year to meet the demand that we're now seeing in our pipeline.
One of the interesting aspects of your business is how you can convert, or how it's possible to convert, service contracts into strategic commercial partnerships. Could you run us through that?
Yeah, absolutely. We receive samples through the door. We charge just over €1,000 a sample to analyze those samples and return a report. It's often hundreds, if not thousands, of samples we receive from each of our customers, and that report presents them with some insights, some immuno-insights, which we believe is important to their business. It is foreground intellectual property, obviously, developed over the background that protects our platform technology, and it's that foreground intellectual property which we continue to own the rights to. Of course, as we deepen our relationship with those pharmaceutical customers, we look to be able to license them access to that foreground intellectual property at a point in time, so that it can continue to add value to their business.
Obviously, it's been a busy year, as we've hinted at before. What are the upcoming news flow and inflection points that we can look forward to from Oncimmune in the next few months?
We're facing down a really very busy Q1. Clearly, we have already experienced the first week of that, and the team are up and about winning business. The ImmunoInsights business is going to continue to drive much of the aggressive growth that we have pegged by the analysts in for this year. But I hope that you're going to be able to see a good chunk of that in Q1. So more pharma contracts, more biotech contracts, and very much like the Cedars-Sinai contracts that we've been signing over the last 6 months. We hope to continue to see interest from large academic health science centers that are delivering those clinical trials on behalf of pharma sponsors.
Adam Hill, CEO at Oncimmune, thank you very much indeed.
Thanks for your time, Zach.